Sky, I, real flavor presenting for the independent, ambitious ladies, ACU Tash. You know handicap girl, are you no buffer? No boof pop girl, you not take no back on. You go girl, start the show girl. Independent, same so it go girl. Turn it up, then turn it up, then turn it up. Money up, the money up, the money up. Every day they gonna walk on them and they not each up. Lifestyle and step it up, champion and step it up them. Turn it up, then turn it up, then turn it up them. Money up, the money up, the money up. Every day they gonna walk on them and they not each up. Me can highlight some too, no? Look how Keisha Las Vegas at. Now fi catch pan the money I tap. She ambitious like that. Can't promise her much less bags. Worst can't bring to her no crap. Go on and don't come back. She a live like a notch house tycoon then got so you can't take them for idiot. The girl them turn it up, then turn it up, then turn it up them. Money up, the money up, the money up. Every day they gonna walk on them and they not eat up. Lifestyle and step it up, champion and step it up them. Turn it up, then turn it up, then turn it up them. Money up, the money up, the money up. Every day they gonna walk on them and they not eat. Me can't tell no something. Yo, them a girl a never in a regular. 2 grand US for them cellular. Just up, just figure a seminar. Every day them gyal look like a real foreigner. In a Benz roll like a modeler. Them start from just a janitor. Right now business a monitor. Few bar, few store, few at here just are them. Turn it up, then turn it up, then turn it up them. Money up, the money up, the money up. Every day they gonna walk on them and they not each up. Lifestyle and sip it up, champion and sip it up them. Turn it up, then turn it up, then turn it up them. Money up, the money up, the money up. Every day they gonna walk. Real flavor Sky. Aye, you don't know, big up Keisha, Las Vegas, Lady Tash and the whole works.
The money up, we turn it up, we money up. Big up yourself, real flavor, may I tell you. Hey, you come out so excited. Yo, like you're ready for this, my boss. What you say, you bring the talent to the table. Alright, so Nero, what do you think about real flavor performance and his music is doing right now?
Alright, so for me, once you go the ladies
Turn down the
avenue.
beats.
Once you go the ladies avenue, once you have them for your side, that's a wrap. You understand? But for me though, otherwise from the lyrics and doing it for the females still, you need to use up a stage more often. You understand? Which me know say you don't really have much for you still. So I'm gonna just oversee that part, but the tune on point. On point. I never expect that to go freestyle, but on point.
Alright, real flavor. So you hear from the man himself, Nero, you know. The man say if he use up the stage more, but yeah, go on good so far. You get to me and say, hey Keisha.
It's like you rolled out for every woman where I try hard in her life, you know. And the fact that you can say, boy, we start from janitor. We're not afraid for us to do dirty and make sure the thing come out the way we want it to come out. We don't care the talking. We're not business with that. We just make our mind say, we're going to make it. So chatting, we're not dealing with the chatting, right? And say the money up, we know when the money are coming. We know when the money are coming. We're good like that, right? I love it. I liked it a lot.
Alright, big up DJ Smoke, may I tell you. No, I have to ask another female. Dash, what do you think about this song? Yeah, real flavor sing for the, you know. Tony up.
Me load up the one here. You see, from you, I represent for the real diva, the real hustler. You understand me? When I just think about saying, man for mine, you. You understand me? Girl, we're out there looking for themselves. Tony up, Tony up, Tony up.
Tony up. How you been? Tony up. You don't know real flavor. Hey, big up yourself. Remember, don't leave. Hey, because them are going to some ticket and, you know what I mean? Yeah, the people them can afford food and keep it in the competition.